Hello and welcome back to RC Workshop. Check it out today, guys. We've got a new model on the bench. This is the TRAXXAS Rustler 4x4. This is not the brushless version though, guys. This is the brush version. It's called the XL5 system. Still waterproof though. One thing this model does come with is a nice TQI 2.4 radio. Comes with TRAXXAS 7-cell battery. Not LiPo though. Comes with a battery charger as well. So this thing is literally ready to run straight out the box. And look how nice that body shell actually looks. Got the fast release. Let's get to it on the bench and show you what this thing is all about. And wow, has the Rustler had a facelift? Does that body look absolutely awesome or what? So the body straight off. This is the quick release system, so no body clips on there. We've got a few bumpers dotted around the roof as well for if you flip in and slide. We've got a little wing on the back as well. And check externally these tyres out, guys. Very, very nice. These are TRAXXAS Talon tyres. I think they're 2.2s as well. So we've got as well, you'll notice 4 drive shafts. 2 at the front, 2 at the back, because this is the 4x4 version of the Rustler. That is one mean looking body shell. Let's have a look underneath it. So simply one clip on the back, turn it to the right or the left, give it a pull, and that body shell is off, and you'll see the system there. So it clips in under the front, and just a snap clip with a lock on the back to keep it locked in place. How cool is that instead of body clips? So the buggy itself, as I mentioned, is the 4-wheel drive version. Underneath, so you got like a nice bathtub shaped body chassis to it, sorry, not body. Really nice underneath, skid plates, flexible TRAXXAS plastic as per usual as well. Nice big battery clip in there to hold your battery down. This is also reversible to hold a bigger battery if you want to go bigger. TRAXXAS connector on there as well. We've got a radio box, waterproof. We've got the XL5 speed control, and we've got a 12-turn Titan 550 motor. One thing about this is you could literally put a brushless system straight into this truck and you'll have yourself a 4-wheel drive 4x4 Rustler. Really nice car, guys. I really like it. Oil-filled shocks as well. All round, nice and smooth and plush out the box. Let's put a battery in this thing and see if we can get it to at least move on the stand, see what it sounds like and so on. That battery fits super snug in there. Connected up like so. Turn your remote on. Always turn your remote on first. Hold down the little EZ start button and it comes on like so. So steering. Nice waterproof TRAXXAS servo there. Let's give it a little bit of throttle. You know what? That is not too bad at all. Sounds pretty smooth for a brushed system. And I've had a lot of joy with these XL5 systems in the past. They do tend to last quite a long time. You've also got a little slipper clutch in there as well on the spur gear. The drive shaft in the centre looks to be plastic. So if you go brushless, I would look at upgrading that drive shaft from plastic to metal. Definitely 100% there. Oh, you know what? I've got to try this on the studio floor. Let's get it down there. Let's try it out. Let's bang that shell on. Right, let's try and give this a little rip around the room. Well, it's pretty nippy to be honest. It ain't too bad. Quite torquey as well. That'd be great for doing some little jumps. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, guys. A little bit closer to the action. That has got a really nice acceleration point, to be honest, for a brushed system. This model is completely ready to run out the box. You know, that is tidy. That comes with that particular battery as well. Very, very nice. I am quite chuffed with that. Way, hit the camera. We'll put that on the outro. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Much appreciated. So there you go then. Just a quick look around the Rustler 4x4 VXL brushed. Do you think brushed should still be a thing these days? To be honest with you, I think brushed's great for beginners. This is obviously upgradable to brushless as well. You can put LiPo batteries in there. The drivetrain will still take it all. If you don't want nothing too quick, but you want something reliable, something waterproof, something that's going to go over everything because it's four-wheel drive, then this might be the model for you. If you like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you've got something to say about the brushed Rustler 4x4, let me know in the comments below. See you on the next one. Is it fast enough? You tell me below. See you on the next one. That has got very, very good acceleration. I'd say that's got to be at least 30 miles an hour. It really has. I'd be happy with that, to be honest with you, as a first model. We can smell them tyres now. We're literally burning some rubber. They've got tacky.